today. Now, once you do that, you can do what Vincent will talk about is EON Interact. I really like it because kids like it. Like everybody loves Harry Potter, right? In the power vested by me, there should be fire, and then fire pops up. So this product enables you to what we call touch and go. So I'll show you the video, and then I'll pass it to Vincent to tell us more about this exciting product that we are releasing today. So let's go to the video.
Right, so as you can see, you can create a lot of effects and interactions. So, switch.
There you go.
Oh, okay, thanks, Dan. Right, so what you can do is that you basically just pick what you want to do, just apply it to the object, and then you decide what should trigger that effect or action. So it's just that simple. So what we have for this version is that you can do interact zones triggers. So this means that you can apply, define an area on the object where it should be interactive. So when the user is clicking on that area, that specific area, then it will trigger whatever you have decided to do. And then we have something called assessment trigger as well. That means you can decide that, okay, if the learner is passing an assessment, like doing a quiz, and it succeeded, then something will happen, or the opposite, right? So if he failed something, didn't manage to get past that assessment, then we can trigger another thing. So for example, you can, like creating a smoke when you have failed some kind of assessment there. So the possibilities are limitless. And then we have something called proximity sensors, triggers as well. That means that you can go, you can go quite close. You need to go, by approaching some objects, you can automatically trigger some actions. So that's also what we have. Regarding what kind of effects you can do smoke, you can do explosions, and you can do also fire. So it's going to create a lot of interesting learning experience.
One thing that, can you guys hear me? By the way, one trick here is to put it on your chin.
Okay.
You don't have to worry about the distance. That's what I do. Okay. So, I mean, many of you wonder, okay, so what's so special about this? I've seen interactions before. What's so special is that you don't have to program, right? So if you look at normal people to do this, you need a program that knows scripting, that actually does if-then, subroutines, and adds. So this is something that is less than 1% of normal user will be able to do. Now, everybody in this room that can do a Harry Potter wand can basically do this. So that's one. The other thing I find extremely exciting with this product is you saw there was like a revolver, like a Wheel of Fortune. So you use your thumb and scroll to that Wheel of Fortune and different tools come up. Now, let's say you're a specialist in medicine. So you can have your medical tools, you know, your scalpel, let's say you do engineering, you have your engineering tools. Let's say you do, so these tools, or the toolboxes, are everly expanding. And another thing that it's your idea, not mine, and I don't want to steal the title from you, was the fact that you are opening up the code.
That's right.
So any university, academic institution create their own and also sell those tools in the marketplace, correct?
Yes, that's our plan. Yes, so as Dan said, there will be a very easy to follow procedure when you create this. It's all guided by these dialogues that should take you from one step to another one. Another thing that you can do is to chain together actions. So you can, for example, move an object by also, at the same time, playing a sound effect, for example. So that's, you know, you can combine a lot of different things together to create a lot of different things. So this is, you know, like Dan said, our first iteration. There will be more to come as you continuously will add more these kind of components to the system. And yeah, we believe that this is going to be the, you know, the next level of learning experience, taking your experience to the next level. And yeah, I think this is because you can inject, you know, behaviors and interactions in your learning experience. So this will increase the retention and the quality and also the value of, you know, this learning experience. So I really think this is going to be the future. And well, we can't wait what you're going to create with this tool.
Thank you so much, Vincent, for that. And let's move on to the next one.